Crude oil WTI and natural gas both stayed bullish. However, we have seen a little bit of resistance for natural gas specifically at 2.78, 2.8 zone, and it is willing to break past by, but it is just resisting itself. And now oil has moved towards the next milestone at 71, which is definitely a critical milestone for oil to break past by. So what to expect today? Can we expect oil to break past the critical resistance zone at 70.671 and stay bullish towards 71.672.4, or we can see a reversal here? And can we expect net gas to also trade bullish? If yes, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading oil and gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. With the help of a multi-time frame analysis, we will try to find out where you should enter, where you should exit, and how you should profit. Subscribe and press the bell icon. This is the only channel in the world to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and a reasoning for you to take a trade. Do like, share, and comment, friends. It's a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first oil, followed with gas. Watch. See, crude oil on the hourly charts, it has come towards $71, which is indeed a greater resistance. Higher highs are seen, higher lows are seen. Let it break beyond 71, and then we can say that more bullishness will prevail here. In fact, you can buy here at 71.2 levels and now expect it to keep moving towards 71.6. And now once it breaks out beyond 71.6, 71.8, next milestone is towards 72.4 and 73 levels. What is happening here on the oil? Rise, retracement, rise again, trading bullish, delivering higher highs and higher lows. So now the next milestone which you should watch out for is 71.6, 71.8 zone, which is going to be a good resistance here. Stochastic back to overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising here, coming to 2. When you observe the 2 hour charts, yes, prices are getting a bit of resistance here at 71, which is indeed a good resistance here. And now wait for it to give a complete breakout here. Now what is happening? Just observe this drop, retracement, drop, retracement. If it starts to retrace here, possibility of 70 move towards 73, 74 zone exists, and a reversal to be confirmed if it stays above 74. Now see, after consolidating here for a while, it has breached, it is now looking upwards, and there could be further bullishness here. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. MACD and RSI both are rising and are supportive of further bullishness here. Coming to 3 hour chart, on the 3 hour charts, the observation is similar. Rise, retracement, first bullish candle. Let it break out beyond 71, 71.2 zone. You can expect 71.5, 71.6, and then in fact expect. See, 71.8 should be breached in order to confirm a movement towards 72.4 and 73 levels. Possibility is very strong. Moving averages have started to converge, but I can see not yet crossing over. We have to wait for a crossover in order to confirm a complete reversal. Stochastic rising, MACD and RSI both are rising here. On the 4 hour charts, also similar observation here. Let it break out beyond 71, 71.2, which will confirm its further movement towards upside. And as I've shared on the daily charts and 4 hour charts, see, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. This is the channel in which it is trading. Bigger, see, smaller the rise, smaller the retracement, bigger the rise, bigger the retracement. Chances of a reversal are very high. Stochastic rising, MACD are rising, RSI rising. All signs are supportive for further rise. Coming to the daily. Now, before we proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, look at the daily charts. What is happening? See, moving averages are definitely trading with divergence, and the price is trading with divergence from the 20 period average. Where is the 20 period average sitting at? 31, 71, 71.2 levels. This is going a little resistance zone, and thus once it breaks beyond 71, 71.2, expect 71.6, 71.8, and once it stays above 71.6, 71.8, chances will increase for 72.4 and 73 levels. Stochastic is rising here. MACD has seen enough bearishness. Now it should converge crossover. This, if it crosses over on the upside again, we are looking forward to a stronger rise. RSI rising as well. So also notice on the daily charts, I have shared this. I can still see that it has got lot much of room on the upside. Let's see if it breaks past by the critical milestone at 70. Thus, looking at this, I will recommend you to buy only if you see it staying above 71. When you see the lower prices above 71, initiate a buying entry. Expect 71.3, 71.6, 71.8 as the next resistance zone, and then 72.4, 73 levels will appear very soon, if not today. So this is one point. Just be cautious till 71.6, 71.8 is not breach, it can reverse. While on the downside, a selling entry now, I'll only recommend if you see it trading below 70.2 levels. When you see the higher prices below 70.2, initiate a selling entry. Very important for oil to now trade below 70 and then 69.4 levels. If it breaks below 69.4, then only you can say that the bears will be taking over, and then you can look forward to a drop here. As long as 69.4 levels are not taken today, we should not mistaken it for bearishness here, or we should not take it as bearish. Yes, it can bounce back, it can recover. At best, what it can do, it can, even if it tries to drop, it can try to limit its movement till towards 69.6, 69 or $70 levels here. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Now see gas on the early charts, you can definitely see a bit of resistance at 2.7, which is definitely a greater resistance. 2.78, 2.8 is the zone it needs to break. If it stays above 2.78, 2.8, you can confirm that now the bulls are back and we are looking forward to a stronger rise. See, moving averages crossing over here definitely is a good bullish sign, and we have very good support now available for net gas till towards 2.72 and 2.7 zone. So as long as these levels are not taken, we have to be careful with the sells. Look at the stochastic. If you see, it has hit the highs, now looking downwards, and the MACD has crossed over. This is a slight bearish sign for net gas, and that is why, see, after a good retracement now crossing over here, this is a slight bearish sign, which means prices might try to stay bearish or trade in range for a while from now. RSI dropping a bit, looking downwards, suggestive of slight bearishness. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts also, this crossover is important. Only thing is, it is trying to retrace a little, it is trying to cool down the indicators a bit, and there is a possibility of a move towards 2.74, 2.72. Yes, if you see it is staying below 2.7472 zone, we can say more bearishness will be seen, and if it drops below 2.7, you can say now the net gas is turning bearish. Specifically, if it drops below 2.68, consider this as a reversal, and I do not see it breaking below 2.64, which has become a greater support. If it drops below, we can conclude that a crash is about to begin here, though the chances are less. If you look at the 2 hour MACD, it is trying to converge, it has not yet crossed over, it has lot much of room available on the upside. RSI has dropped a bit. Coming to 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour charts likewise, see, it has shown a reversal. We have seen a double top trying to erase some of the gains. Now see why it is trying to deliver a red candle. See, lot much of bullish candles are seen. Now it is trying to erase some of the gains before it tries to reverse. Now 2.78, 2.8 is the zone, which is definitely a greater hurdle for natural gas. On stochastic dropping here, MACD is in green, it has not yet crossed over, it is still looking upwards, and the RSI is right now suggestive of slight bearishness. On the 4 hour charts, now look at the 4 hour charts here. A flat top is seen trying to erase some of the gains. Once it trades below 2.74, we can look forward to 2.72 and 2.7 and 2.68. Only bearishness in net gas is if it trades below 2.68. Now then you can say that now it is reversing. Else you can notice this. See, this is the channel in which it was trading. This is a bearish channel. It has breached this channel. It has come towards the top, and now it is just waiting for a breakout beyond 2.8, which will confirm its next move on the upside. Now also notice on the 4 hour charts, after this rise, it has retraced, it has formed a nice flag, and a reversal from here can bring stronger bullishness here. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down, MACD rising, RSI at top. Coming to daily charts, now notice the daily charts here. One observation on the daily charts is the resistance it is getting from the 20 period average and the lower highs. Thus, it is very important for the net gas to trade about 2.78, 2.8 zone, and if it breaks this zone, then you can say that now the reversal is on cards and net gas is going to rally again. As long as it respects 2.78, 2.8 zone, we have to be careful with the buys. Now on the downside, see, it could erase some of the gains from yesterday. It can in fact move towards 2.7 to 2.7 zone. However, we have to be very cautious on the downside. Stochastic is rising. MACD has seen enough bearishness, time for it to converge, crossover, and reverse. Right now, it is trading bearish. RSI has dropped. So, looking at this, very simple buy at 2.78. Expect it to keep moving towards 2.8, and once it breaks 2.8, stay bullish for 2.85, 2.9 levels. And breaking beyond 2.9, sky is the limit for the rest of the month. We can see a move towards 3.2 levels again. Be mindful of this. Why this could happen? Just notice this: rise retracement, higher lows, higher highs. Now a reversal here is going to bring enormous bullishness. While on the downside, Yes, you can sell here at 2.74. When you see the higher price below 2.74, initiate a selling entry, expect 2.7 to 2.7, 2.68. Till 2.68, do not treat net gas as bearish. It can bounce back, it can bounce back strong. Below 2.68 is where slight bearishness may prevail. You can look forward to 2.6564, and any point of time net gas trading below 2.64, stay short, stay bearish. We are looking forward to 2.6, below which you can say a crash to be expected towards 2.5, 2.4 levels very, very soon, chances for which appears to be less. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the first update every day with the Asia and Europe session. Thus, join the free Telegram channel for updates live. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.